Remove the original motor from the mounting plate and install the Turntide motor on the mounting plate. It is almost always easier to connect the motor power cable before installing the motor. Refer to the Turntide motor power wiring video for more information. When reinstalling the motor pulley, the easiest method is to use the motor plate to pulley dimension recorded earlier as reference. Confirm correct pulley alignment with the straight edge. Reinstall original belt. If necessary, adjust the motor until a belt deflection of 1/64 inch per foot of distances between motor shaft and blower shaft. This completes the Turntide motor installation.